I'm going to show you how to make a triangle when they give you two side lengths. On this page, it tells you to take these two sides and make a triangle. How do you do that? It says with patty paper. We don't have patty paper, so we're going to do this. We're going to do it with a starter line. Make a starter line that's pretty long, okay? Just like you've done in the past. And then on your sheet, you take your handy dandy compass and you measure from your button to the end of your slide. I look in that hole, hey, there's the dot, it's that long. I copy a segment. We did this a long time ago. Put your button on the end, make a mark. There. I have one side of my triangle. Awesome. Now, what I can do is I can measure the other length by putting my button on the second side of this triangle. And I notice it's this distance from here to here. I put my button on the end of that segment and I make an arc. That means that this triangle can have a side length of this distance and another side length from that spot to anywhere on that arc. I don't care where you put it. You can put it wherever you want. You want to put it right here? Go for it. You put it right here. You can connect that. Awesome. And then you go from your original mark to your new one, and you just made a triangle. Now, question 2 asks you experiment and see if you can make other triangles. This triangle almost looks like a right triangle. I bet you there's other triangles you can make, acute, obtuse. I don't know. Try it out. Thanks.